Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how much time you need to learn JavaScript. We'll go through a structured path, starting with the absolute basics and moving towards more advanced topics. Learning JavaScript is a journey, and with a focused approach, you can build a strong foundation and develop practical skills. We'll cover key areas, from understanding core syntax to building interactive web applications, giving you a clear roadmap for your learning adventure. For your initial steps, focus on core concepts. Dedicate about 2 to 4 weeks to truly grasp basic syntax, variables, and data types. Practice writing small scripts daily to solidify your understanding of operators and control flow. Consistent effort, even for just 1 or 2 hours each day, will build a very strong foundation. This initial phase is critical for everything that follows, so take your time and practice diligently. Once you have the basics down, move into intermediate topics. Plan to spend 6 to 12 weeks on areas like DOM manipulation, making your web pages interactive. Dive into asynchronous JavaScript, understanding how to handle operations that take time. Building small, practical projects is key here. It helps you apply what you've learned and see immediate results. Explore APIs and event handling to broaden your skill set. To reach an advanced level, allocate 3 to 6 months for frameworks and libraries such as React or Vue. Explore modern JavaScript features, including ES6+ syntax, which are vital for contemporary development. Building complex applications or contributing to open-source projects will deepen your expertise. Remember, the world of JavaScript is always evolving, so continuous learning and staying updated with new developments are absolutely essential for long-term mastery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.